Welcome to my YouTube channel. Today's topic is use of a, an and the. A, an and the are called articles in English grammar. Basically, articles are adjectives and modify nouns. Articles are two types, indefinite and definite. A and an are indefinite articles and the is the definite article. Indefinite article generally doesn't point out any particular person, place, or thing. It may be any person, place, or thing. A and an are used before singular countable noun. For example, of boy. Boy is a singular. When it is plural, we can't place a before it. And we can count boys. Therefore, it is a countable noun. So we place a before boy because boy is a singular as well as countable noun. We can't use a water because water is an uncountable noun. We can't count water. Therefore, we can't place a before water. A and an have same meaning, but they are used differently. So, first of all, we use an. How to use an? An is used before a vowel sound and silent h. For example, an apple, an egg, an insurance agent, an ox, an umbrella. In these words, initial sound of these word is a vowel, so we place an before these words. For example, apple, a, egg, a, insurance, e, ox, o, umbrella, sounds, and these all sounds are vowel sound. By the way, what are the vowels? Vowels are a, e, I, o, u, and remaining all those alphabets except a, e, I, o, u are called consonants. Here again, when we pronounce MP, MLA, MBBS, its initial sound is M. M, A. Here is also a vowel sound. Therefore, we place an before these words. You should focus on the sounds, not on the vowel letters. In the same way, when we pronounce SI, SP, S give the sounds of a vowel, so we place an before these words. And if your H is silent, then we place also an before these words. For example, honest man, R, honorable person. Here H is silent and O gives the sound of vowel, and again we put an before these words. So I think you have clear how to use an. Next is use of a. A is used before a consonant sound. Not only consonant letter, but before a word which gives the sound of consonant. For example, a girl, a monkey, a boy, a table, a kite. G, M, boy, B, T, K, these are all consonant sounds. A is used before vowel U if it sounded as U. For example, a unit, a useful person, a unique book. Here U is vowel, but it gives the sound of consonant Y. Therefore, we place a before unit, not an. As is the sound of umbrella. In umbrella, the initial sound is a. So we place there an, and here unit gives initial sound y. Y is a consonant. And again, in European country, we place before it a because here E is silent and U gives the sound. So we place a before European. In the same way, a universal problem, a university. I think you understand the use of a and an. Thank you for watching video. Please like and subscribe.